Good morning, everybody. Tracy M. Hill here from Uniquely Creative, showing you in what is in day 9 of our Advent kit. And Pel's trying to guess what it is. What do you think it is?
It's a circle.
It's a circle. What sort of circle? Open it up. Let's find out. A circle.
That's what shape it is.
Oh,
Hey.
beautiful gold glitter tape. Do you want to keep that one, Pel?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you might. Isn't it beautiful?
Can I?
So many great things so far in our Advent kit. I can't wait to see what's in day 10.
Can I keep this one?
And do you know what else today is? Today's a very special day because on day 9 of December is Pel's.
My birthday.
So happy birthday, beautiful girl. 5 today she is. See you tomorrow.